can't have a fair without having something weird or out of the ordinary, right? So we did some sweet drinks. Now we're gonna do a weird drink, but not really weird, because it's almost like a dirty martini. But instead of olives, we're using dill pickles. We're gonna make a dill pickle martini, right? First, get our glass. We're gonna add 2 ounces of vodka. Next, we're going to add an ounce of the pickle juice. I've already poured it in here, so I didn't bore you. Next, can't be a martini without any dry vermouth, right? So we're going to go 1/2 ounce of dry vermouth. Just a little bit more. Next, we're going to add some ice and stir. Stir it till it gets good and chilled. Smell the pickles. I like dirty martinis. I just don't drink enough of them. But this should be really interesting. I've never had it. First time. Just kind of excited. All right, I think we're good. Got our martini glass. Now let's strain it. Look at the color. The color is what sells it, right? That looks just like pickle juice. And I do believe they sell like pickle juice to make what's the Irish whiskey drink? Picklebacks. Sometimes I see it next to the Irish whiskey. So you may be able to not buy pickles to get the juice and just get straight juice with a bottle. Maybe Amazon sells it. I don't know. I haven't looked. But anywho, cheers. I'm not mad at it. I mean, if you like dirty martinis, this is right up your alley, right? Because with the dry vermouth, you get the, can't say savory, but it has that martini feel to it. And the pickles juice is pickle juice, right? You can get more fancier pickles to make a more fancier juice. But anyway, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time.